Now, with this change to the understanding of the Voting Rights Act, you no longer have the ability to mandate these minority districts, drawing lines specifically to produce minority candidates, which means Democrat candidates.
Yeah.
And so this has a huge change. Now, we did see Clarence Thomas say he wished he could have gone a little further. He actually did a concurrent agreeing opinion where he said we should have taken Section 2, and instead of just saying you can't force people to draw these racial lines, we should have just said it doesn't give anyone the ability to interfere with states drawing maps however they see fit. That obviously was not the full interpretation that we got here, but it's still a big win. Yeah. And it's one of those things that's not very exciting on paper. You're not going to be running around pumping your fist like this is some incredible culture wars, slam dunk. But it is one of those procedural things that people just didn't realize. When people talk about democracy, they don't realize that literally the map was required to be drawn to benefit Democrats. Like the law actually rigged elections on behalf of Democrats for half a century. And now that has been overturned. There's nothing small about that.
Yeah, absolutely. I mean, the counter argument, Alito kind of hinted on this in his opinion, and Will Chamberlain was discussing this, I saw on the timeline today. So he was saying that actually, leaving Section 2 intact but changing the interpretation does, in some ways give us some advantages insofar as we can challenge any attempted gerrymandering along racial lines. We can utilize the VRA sort of against those people that are attempting those gerrymanders. Now, again, I'm not a legal expert, but that was sort of compelling that maybe it was intentional, at least from Alito, to kind of keep the bones together insofar as they can, turn this back around on Democrats. I don't know if you'd seen that or what your thoughts were on that.